The Addtam 2-pack Power Strip Surge Protector is designed for situations where extra reach and flexible charging are more important than having a compact power strip. Each unit provides 5 wide-spaced outlets, making it easier to connect multiple plugs without having them crowd into each other. That layout can be especially useful for larger adapters and power bricks that may block neighboring outlets on a more tightly arranged strip. Charging flexibility is another key feature. Along with the 5 AC outlets, each power strip includes 3 USB ports and 2 USB-C charging ports, giving users several options for powering compatible devices without needing as many separate wall adapters. This makes the setup practical for desks, entertainment areas, workspaces, or other locations where several devices need power in one place. The electrical capacity is rated at 1875 watts and 15 amps, providing a substantial amount of available power for compatible household electronics. The 25-foot cord is one of the biggest advantages of this package, offering significantly more reach for locations where a standard-length power cord may not be enough. Instead of keeping the power strip close to the wall outlet, the longer cable provides more flexibility in positioning the connected devices. The fact that this is a 2-pack also adds versatility, since the 2 power strips can be used in separate areas rather than relying on a single unit. That can be convenient for organizing power across different rooms or work areas, depending on the available outlets and intended setup. The main consideration is that the 25-foot cord makes this more focused on extended reach than portability. It is also important to stay within the stated 1875 watt and 15 amp capacity when connecting devices. Overall, the Addtam 2-pack stands out for its combination of 5 wide-spaced outlets, USB and USB-C charging options, long 25-foot cords, and 2-unit package, making it a practical choice for users who need more outlet flexibility and reach.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.